Hey everyone, so how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Doctor and Forex Trader. So as you all know, we are here for another live session and we'll be trading NAS 100. Alright, and we are here trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. Okay, so the basic motto behind this live sessions, behind this live trading program is to provide you the essence of real trading. All right, what is real trading? How does you feel? How do you really proceed in your trading career? And what you can really expect from the markets. Okay, all these aspects I try to clear, and the strategy is simple. I am using is price action, nothing else. Okay, so yeah, very warm welcome to all of you. Hello, very nice to meet you too. So now you will be seeing my screens, and on the screens you will be seeing NAS 100 chart. All right, so as usual, those who are with me from past few time, they know how I start the session. So we'll be doing the recap, a quick recap. This was a trade which we took on Friday. It was a very highly manipulated zone and it exactly took resistance from then this level, formed a double top and straight away fall down. Okay, but no worries, we were on wrong side and that's it. And this is the dashboard, this is the progress. You can see current hour balance is 10,347. Okay, these all are the trades till now. You can see how really trading works. 3 winning trades, then 4 losing in a row, then 3 more winning trades, now 3 losing in a row. You can see still we are in profit. So what matters is your win size, your average loss size, right? And our win rate is still 53%. I told you in starting only that our win rate will always stand in between 50-60%, maybe sometimes 70%, right? I'm not guaranteeing you that I'll offer a win rate of 80, 90, 100%. No, until and unless you are making more than 1:1 risk reward and your win rate is above 50%, you will be in well profits, right? So this is a quick recap done. Now let's move to the chart without wasting much time. First we'll make the analysis for the day, then we'll talk regarding other things, right? So first let's clear all the drawings. Now as usual, we'll be starting with a 1 day time frame analysis. Clear? This is the chart. What you can see, what I am seeing is, tell me what are these? What are these points which I'm marking? Tell fast. What are these points known? I'm repeating it every day. Yeah, you can say daily highs or you can say it's an uptrend and we have higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Okay, right. Now we'll shift to 4 hour time frame. What I can see is, if you pick from here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, a higher high, higher low, and now we don't know, anything may happen. Okay, not very clear. Now 1 hour time frame. If you pick it from anywhere, since let's pick it from here, higher highs, higher lows, it was a lower low. then again it started forming higher high, higher low. It was a lower high, so you may not consider it and you think of this as another high, okay, another low. And now it's a confusion because this is a good level, maybe market may fall straight from here. So no clear bias on 1 day time frame, sorry, 1 hour time frame also. Clear? Let's shift to 15 minutes time frame, one of the most important time frame for us. So I am giving you 30 seconds. You mark your levels, then I'll mark mine, and try to think, match with me. Were you able or not? And tell me then that you are having same levels. I'll mark one, I'll mark two levels, okay, one bearish and one bullish. Now you mark yours, then we'll match whether you were able to match with me or not. Okay, done. Now I'll mark mine. So one level I'll be using is this one. Very clear, a very highly supported level. This point, this point, this point, 3 times support. Again this point, support, support. A breakout, then a very sharp breakout from this level. Then it took resistance, again resistance. A very sharp breakout. Here again it is respected, so I am seeing it as a good level. So this is a bearish. Now we'll mark one bullish. Simple. This is our bullish level. Were you able to mark same as with me or not? So now let's shift to 5 minutes time frame. We'll mark one or two minor levels. Or let's try something new today. What? We'll use only 15 minutes level today, okay, and our entries will be on 5 minutes. We will not mark any minor level, so we'll trade using these two levels only. Clear? So very simple idea today. Either a double top, then fall till here. As it is a bearish idea, let's make it red, or a breakout, a retest, then 1:1.5 trade. So these two, one more, a fall, a double bottom, or a bullish engulfing, then 1:1.5 or anything, time will tell. Alright, so today we are trying a little new thing. Let's see what happens. We are using just major levels, right? We are not marking minor levels on 5 minutes time frame. We are using 15 minutes time frame levels. Our entry will be on 5 minutes only. Clear? Right. So this is the trade idea for today. I hope you all have marked yours also. So were you able to match with me the levels or not? Or there was a difference? Or do you see any better level than me? Then please recommend me. I'll also look at it. Yeah, it seems unclear, but if you have followed me from past 1 month, I mostly just trade levels without thinking much what is clear or not or anything like that. I just, see if I get a good setup according to the technicals. That's sufficient for me to take the entry. I hope you all remember the confluences which I use. If not, let me repeat it again. Simple. One, it should be from a good level. Trade should be from a good level. Okay. Second, you should have a good chart pattern. Third, a candlestick pattern. And fourth, sometimes it may be bias if it's in your favor, or some other things also. Mainly These three are my good confluences, right? If these three are my favor, then I'm pretty confident on the setup. So now our work is done, and main thing we have to do now, that is simply wait and watch. All these things, brother, well, I won't say these doesn't matter. These things matter, but everyone has his or her own trading style, I would say. We are not a momentum based trader or a volume based trader, right? Have you ever seen me using volume indicator to see how many people are currently active in the market or anything like that? It's a trillions of dollar market, right? And at whenever market is open, people are always present here, liquidity is always there. So you can't really say there is a holiday if or a holiday was yesterday and it's over now. My market is, in fact, I would say it's opening after a 3 days long weekend, so many more people are sitting there today. Our job is, if you are a fundamental trader, always there are two types of trader. You can't match both the things according to my knowledge. I am not saying that I am a survey server or in this market and I know everything. No. But what I know and according to my knowledge, either you trade using fundamentals or you trade using technicals. So whenever you are trading using technicals, these things don't matter. Yes, absolutely right. It makes a perfect combination. So have any of you tried a real funded challenge till now? Or you are just observing? Or you got to know about these things from our trading channel only? Okay. Three phases? Which one have three phase challenge? Everyone has two phases. Very congratulations. If you are getting a real account, that means you are doing good. Let's see today few examples of that scalping strategy which I shared on YouTube. Let's shift to 1 minute time frame. Do you remember what was that strategy? Divergence scalping strategy. Let's pick an instrument. Let's pick Euro USD. I think this was analysis. So this was analysis which I shared on Instagram few days back, and it's going good. I hope it will hit the target for sure. Okay, so let's see this that strategy. So the chart which you are showing currently is Euro USD 1 minute time frame. Clear? Even one good strategy is enough for you to make good money, right? See a good example. If you can see, RSI is almost equal or a little on lower side, and in price you can see it's a huge difference. So it's a clear cut indication that market is planning for a down move, right? Again here, yeah, same thing. Sorry. See, it is equal, but see the difference in RSI. And what happened then? Fall. So I hope it's a very easy strategy and it may give good profit to scalpers. Let's search for few more examples so that you get confident. I'm not saying that these will not fail. There will be failures also. But what I think is it has a good win rate. If you see it here also, very clear. Just see. Price is increasing and RSI is on decreasing side. Clear? Then a good fall. So this was a very simple divergent scalping strategy. And you can see it as reverse also. Let me show you. See what you can see here. RSI is increasing but price is decreasing. So what happens next? Boom. So I hope you all love this strategy and you can use it for your benefit. Alright, it's enough for today. Let's switch back to the NAS 100. If you are a new viewer, first analyze what I am providing you. If you feel it's helpful to you, then please hit the like button. And if you don't feel it's not helpful to you, you are very, I'll be happy that you leave. Because there's no benefit in wasting your time when you are not getting anything useful. And if you are an old viewer, that means you are liking the analysis what I am providing. Please hit the like button. Each one of your like matters to me. It encourages me to bring more such sessions. And I'll keep on bringing such sessions very regularly to everyone. Okay, I don't know. I was unaware of this three-phase challenge. Genuinely. I was knowing only a two phases challenge. So it's good if you have passed all the three phase. That means you are doing something good in life. Passing funded challenge is really a great task, I would say. This waiting requires a lot of patience, and it is the most important thing for trading, right? Yes, your execution should be perfect, but for that you have to wait for that perfect execution time, right? And your temperament is tested when you are waiting patiently and not doing any rubbish thing. You are not taking any forceful entry. Even market is not providing anything, and you are just sitting, keeping your hands on hands and very quietly just observing what it is doing without taking, placing any buy or sell order. It takes a huge temperament, and it takes a lot of time to develop this kind of temperament, because initially everyone has that component of FOMO, that fear of missing out, that if you miss this one opportunity, like you will lose everything. This is a mindset of every initial trader. Once you have developed the art how to sit patiently, half of the battle is, won. Market is quite low on momentum. It's not moving much today. So we don't have to think much about these things, and we just have to wait. If it reaches to our marked levels, then we'll see how it reacts, and then we'll react accordingly. Before that, we will not do anything. Yep, let's see. As per my experience, you know what it is going on right now? If you think of this as a level, right, it's going a good manipulation. And what will happen next is a very good upshoot candle will form. Why? Let me show you one thing. This is today again same thing, that buyers and sellers. So market is trying to trap people. Many people will sell here, but what I think is it'll straight give a good green candle. Nothing is for sure. It's just a quiet prediction. I'm not taking any entry or exit according to this, but I'm just telling you that what my analysis and my psychology says. A good green candle should form next. See, let's see. It's a simple trap. Because what will happen is this is a level and it's an engulfing candle. So many people will sell here. So whenever market is trying to manipulate or kick retail traders out, it will manipulate it. Right? Still, anything is possible, but this is what my experience says. See, what did I said? Exactly that thing happened. 5 years, brother. So was I right? Absolutely right. So these things you get to know with experience. When you keep on sitting on the screen and observing things happening regularly. Sometimes it feels like so now it has tested this level, right? And we'll wait for our perfect entry. Currently we have not taken any entry and no entry is forming. Actually, I am not switching time frames in between the tradings, right? Sometimes I see on 3 minutes, but I don't take any trade on base of that. So what was your criteria to expect this push? That you are saying this push was expected? Okay. So let me ask everyone a question today. Let's play a quiz. So tell me, in this pattern, in this one which I have marked, where do you expect the market to break out? On downside or on upside? Provide your answers with a valid reason. Tell fast. Where do you expect to break out? Upside or downside? Let's wait for other people answers. So correct answer is upwards. That same thing only. That buyers and sellers, pressure and power, right? Very simple one. What happened? What is this, brother? It is not a divergence. That means you have not understood. It's down sloping here and it's down sloping here. So this is not a divergence. No, no. I didn't got you what you are saying. Okay, okay. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Correct. So if this candle closes green and above this, we are in for a good trade. Yes, hope so. Although it was a good entry after this candle only, but still it's okay because it was a similar setup which I regularly trade. Good. Do you want me to ask more questions or not interested? Brother, I am not a scalper. There are very high manipulations on 1 minute time frame, right? So no point of seeing that. If you switch in between your time frames, you develop FOMO, nothing else. Because if market will give you a good opportunity, it will give you in 5 minutes also, in 15 minutes also, in 1 hour also. It's not that in 1 minute there will be something special. No. Let's prepare our MT5 if we have to take any fast entry. So I'll be opening the position with 0.14 lot if it closes above this. So it will close now, right? Let's open the position. So our position is opened. Clear? You can very well see it on the screen. Right? So almost here. Let's see where we have opened. Exactly at this candle's closing. Around here. So I'll take this trade initially for 1:1.5. So my stop loss is at this level 16817. And our entry price is 844. So 817, 844, 27 points. So around 40 points will be target. 16884 or 16885. Right? So this is the stop loss and this is the target. Hey, thanks for the appreciation. Yes, we are doing simple real trading, nothing else. There's no hard and fast rule behind that. I try, I want to focus on a single instrument for intraday trading, such that I get to know each and everything about that single instrument. And if you watch my previous sessions, I clearly say single instrument is sufficient for you to make enough money to become whatever you want. I use other pairs for swing trades or anything like that, but for intraday I focus on single pair only. And being a doctor, I don't have free time in the day and the London session or any other session, so I prefer in the New York session. After the opening of New York session, NAS 100 is the perfect pair to trade. And when you are trading price action, nothing matters much. Whatever be the instrument, you can make an analysis on whatever you want. Like if you right now we want to make any analysis on any other pair, we can make it very easily. That's the benefit of price action. Simple support, resistance, and your rules. That's it. So when you are following your rules, you should not have any anxiety, nothing. We waited for our perfect entry, we took it, and now our job is to just keep on waiting, be it stop loss, be it target. And what I'll do is I'll shift the stop loss to this point and we'll raise the target also such that the trade is 1:1.5, because sometimes market may come to take a liquidation sweep. Let's just modify a bit. We'll place at 16804. So we are reducing it by 13 points. So we'll increase the profit by 20 points. 16905. I think you should go with a reputed one. Currently, the most reputed one is either FTMO, but if you're Indian, FTMO doesn't provide currently to Indians, and other maybe a the funded trader TFT you can go with. It's also going good right now. And currently, which I am using is this funding frontier. And for this prop firm, it is UAE based because when they were, having issues in that my forex funds kind of things, that time I shifted to UAE based firm, and it's a first funded account with them. 2 3 I have blown out, right? So if we are able to pass this challenge, then I'll be tracking hold the record with you, that whether we'll be able to get a payout or not. Have you before tried any funded account, or it's your first time? Every firm has a different cost, brother. But for a $10,000 challenge, mostly charges are between $50 to $70. That is by paying around 4 to 5 thousand Indian rupees, you are getting an account of a 7 lakh rupees. But for that, you have to be a good disciplined trader for sure. First, you should learn trading, then you should start a challenge if you are new to the trading. If you are already a disciplined trader, then you should go with a challenge, not before that, because it will be simply wasting your money. Okay, that's great. That means you are ready to go in live markets. So you should go with a funded challenge for sure. So I'm asking one more question. So which is this pattern? What is this pattern called? Let's check your trading knowledge. So what is this pattern called? Yes, of you are correct. I am impressed. A round of applause for all of you. What happened actually right now is I thought this is a live trade and I was shocked what happened. You can get the links of Instagram and Telegram on YouTube bio. Market psychology, nothing else. You can name this anything, whatever you want. And if you want to know about history of markets, read books like Market Wizards and these. What 372? This is our original official Instagram account. Clear? And yeah, this is your follow up request right now showing here. Yes, absolutely. Everyone have his or her own. Yes, I entered. This is our position. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you are notified whenever we host a live session. So tomorrow I may not be able to hold a session because there are 7 surgeries lined up for tomorrow. So I may not get time. And if I would get time, I'd surely come. It's 100% natural. Distractions are part of life and they will always be there. That's a very interesting distraction. That's the most common distraction of young age, young adults. So what I'll do now is I'll take a little more position size if this green candle is closed above this red. No, it is not closed. Not changing anything. There is a very simple answer to that question. For me, trading is fun, not a burden, right? And it's a freedom, not a foundation. Question, every answer for that question is in that point only, that it's a freedom, not a foundation. Whenever you have free time, you can trade, have some good strategies such that you can trade with a very minimal time also. Currently, both are going hand in hand, but very soon I'll take over everything with trading. I'm earning much more than Forex than in my swing trading in Indian markets. I'm using all the money earned here to trade swing markets, swing trades in Indian market. These things will happen, brother, very regularly, but you have to keep things aside and stay full focus to achieve, success in anything you want. Although trading is something which demands very less time, right? If you know what real trading is, you don't need much time to spend on things like analysis or anything like that. A very simple and basic strategy can also make you good money. In fact, I would say a very simple strategy is the one which will make you good money, not a complicated one. Yes, options, have very high fluctuations, right? When you see money fluctuating so much high and low, it's 100% genuine that you will develop anxiety. And at the end, in the month, you are able to generate on long term 4, 5, 6% only. So whatever you trade, either equity or options or futures, trade in which you are comfortable. I was not comfortable trading options, so I skipped it. Very simple. And right now I'm managing to, take out 5 6% in swing trades in a month. And that's more than enough. And my chart time, if I would say you won't believe, for swing trading. I think 5 6 minutes a month. 5 6 minutes a month. That's the chart time for my swing trading. That's it. These are myths which everyone is, trapped of. Trading is always same. Either you are trading from small capital or large capital, it will always be same. You will either you are taking hero zero trades, otherwise you will never get to earn lakhs of money from just 5,000, right? So when you will be thinking of trading as a lottery, it will not work out for you in long term. Maybe you can earn few money in a short time, but for long term, for consistent returns, it won't work like that. For capital, you need some other source. Either you become so much confident trader that you trade with other people's money with their wish, not by borrowing the money, but by distributing the returns. Otherwise, you have to do some other works to have a capital, such that, like, I am having capital with Forex and I'm using the earned money in swing tradings. It's not that right now I have millions of dollars or anything like that, no. But yeah, I have a good some amount of capital and I'm doing good, and with time I'll have a very nice capital for me. Yes, after COVID, it has boomed a lot. And actually, in India, the population is so big. In every profession, you will see there's a just rush of people in every profession, be it doctor, be it engineer, be it influencers, be it trader, be it any other thing, be it lawyer, be it CA. In every profession, there is huge rush of people right now, because in India, population is so much big right now. Bro, it's 5 years now, and I became profitable 2 3 years ago. It's not our work to think like these. Our job is now to just relax. We have placed the target, we have placed the stop loss, and just enjoy your life. Now I am going to eat momos, drink soup. I'll close this and let the things run. That's the benefit of trading, and you should have that benefit. I don't recommend to keep sticking to the screens whole day. I have done that in my time, but it's not beneficial. I am telling you from my experience. If you will analyze things superficially, not thinking in much deep, not doing any overthinking, you will become a good trader. And if you keep on analyzing things very deeply, thinking about everything, overthinking, it will become difficult for you. Yes, trading changes you a lot. As I told in one of my Instagram posts also, trading is completely opposite to a natural human mind. Whatever you are naturally designed to do, trading demands everything opposite to that. You are not meant to be patient, so it demands patience from you. You are not meant to accept losses, but trading demands to accept losses from you. If you not learn to accept losses, you will never be a good trader. Natural human mind is designed to take revenge, right? Natural human mind is designed to be greedy, right? But in trading, you all know these things are self destructive. If you are greedy, you'll not go anywhere. In reality, your mind don't accept you to take losses. Your mind never suggests you to book loss, but in trading you have to book losses, right? You have to cut trades in loss to prevent your capital from blowing out. You have to think of the things rationally. I think it is sufficient knowledge for today. So we'll meet again tomorrow at the same time if I am able to get free. That's great. Good going. Good go. Don't, try to bind yourself in a particular time in trading. And that's also I'm telling you from my experience. It is possible that you may get profitable in 2 months also, and it is possible that you may not get profitable in 2 years also. And both are right and both are acceptable, because what you are doing is you are training your mind exactly opposite to what it is designed to, and it takes a lot of time. Even 6 months is less. So okay people, let's close this session. The trade will be running. I'll update the results on Telegram and tomorrow on that YouTube session also. I have placed the stop loss and target, you can see. So this is the target here, and this is the stop loss, and this is our current running position right now. So whatever be the results, I'll update you for sure. So now allow me to leave. Let's meet tomorrow again. I hope you like this session. Please hit the like button, share and subscribe if you like the content. Okay, so your host, your friend, Dr. D. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.